Okay, so I have my stylish little garden shed here, and I was looking to have an outdoor table. Behind the shed, I want to till up the ground and make a garden, and I thought it would be nice to have a little gardening table or utility table nearby. But I didn't want to buy a table and have to set it up and take it down and store it somewhere when I'm not using it. So I had this idea that I want to share with you. And this is it. So I decided I would build a little table and attach it to the side of the shed. So it's just 2x2 construction, 2x2 frame, and a piece of 3/8 plywood on top. I painted it white, but it doesn't look white anymore because I put polyurethane on it so that it would protect it from the elements a little more and be a little easier to wipe clean after use. So anyway, we'll get in a little closer here. So here you can see I've put these 2x2 pieces on the wall and cut these other 2x2s to fit on there, and then they just fit nicely under the table. Like that as well. So that's how it goes together. These two pieces, they just pull out like that, and then you can actually just store them under the table along the edge when you fold it down. And then when you fold it down, it just looks like that. The table's always there, it's always ready. It's out of the way when you don't need it. It goes up easily when you do use it. It's attached at the top just with standard door hinges. And you can see right there. So they're plenty strong to hold any kind of weight that you would put on a little utility table like that. And I thought it was a good idea, and I just wanted to share it with you now. And maybe you were looking to do something similar with an outdoor table for general use. And if this inspires you, then that's great. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you want to, and hit the like button and subscribe. See you again on the next one. Bye.